Welcome to the very first episode of our new YouTube series, Unmasking the Myths, Western Books in Islam. I'm your host, and on this channel we dive deep into the most influential books written about Islam. Books that have shaped global perceptions, often in misleading or dangerous ways. In each episode we'll dissect one of these books and respond to its claims with real-world evidence and solid religious sources. So stay with us till the end. You might be surprised at what you discover. Today we're starting with a classic example, The Sword of Islam, by R. Peterson. This book claims that Islam was spread solely by violence and forced conversions. But let's break down the facts. First of all, the idea that Islam spread only through war is not just historically inaccurate, it's lazy thinking. If Islam had truly been spread by force, we wouldn't still see millions of Christians and Jews living in countries like Egypt, Lebanon, and Iraq, places that have been under Muslim rule for centuries. More importantly, the Quran itself states, "There is no compulsion in religion. Truth stands out clear from error." Surah Al-Baqarah 2:256. That's a direct command against forced belief. Peterson also suggests that Muslim leaders imposed Islam on conquered nations. But history says otherwise. Take the example of al-Andalus, Muslim Spain. Christians and Jews lived freely under Muslim rule, paying a tax just like Muslims paid zakat. Caliph Umar ibn al-Khattab even instructed his armies not to harm civilians, monks, or priests. This is not the behavior of a religion trying to erase others. It's the behavior of a system built on coexistence. Another false claim, Islam can't coexist with other faiths. In fact, the Prophet Muhammad signed the Constitution of Medina, guaranteeing the rights of Jews, Muslims, and even pagans to live peacefully together. He said, "Whoever harms a non-Muslim under our protection has harmed me." That's not just tolerance, that's protection. Books like The Sword of Islam aren't just inaccurate, they're dangerous. They contribute to fear, hate, and misunderstanding. But truth has a voice, and that voice is you, me, and anyone who chooses to seek real knowledge. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button to support the channel, and comment below with the name of any book you'd like us to cover next. Let's build a space for honest, respectful dialogue. See you in the next episode.